Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 0, MCA 0. I'm joined by Navy.
Hola, Steve. Bonjour.
I'm not otherwise.
Lena Gamnat.
Yes, sure.
Can you tell me one, Steve? Congratulations to Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
Baba Bechumanati.
Yeah.
First half, second half.
Yeah.
Good coach, Jose Rivero.
Yes.
I don't have much. I can't afford Woolies flowers, Tibo, but all I can give is this one. Jose Rivero, Tibo. By fact, Tibo, I'm a big fan of Coach Rolando Mokoena.
Sure.
I'm a big fan of Coach Rolando Mokoena. I even texted him to come back to Sundowns. But Jose Rivero is one of the best coaches in the history of South African football.
Yes.
Jose Rivero outclassed Coach Rulan in the past 3 years.
Yeah.
Jose Rivero is the one who won 5, if not 4, if it's 5 trophies for Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
He's the best coach for me.
Yeah.
I will say Coach Rulan is the best coach, but statistically, Jose Rivero is the best coach it's part of the history of the best coach in South Africa. I don't have flowers, Stibo. But another thing, Stibo, let me tell you, Jose Rivero is not leaving South Africa.
Yes.
Jose Rivero is not leaving South Africa. People can say Jose Rivero is leaving Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
Jose Rivero is the future Bafana coach. Jose Rivero after Hugo Bruce can't stay here forever. If Hugo Bruce leaves South Africa, Safa must bring coach Jose Rivero back. If Hugo Bruce leaves South African football, they must beat Jose Rivero. He know everyone, he know the football, he know the culture for South African football. Congratulations Orlando Pirates for advancing to the semi-finals, and I strongly believe Mbokazi. Mbokazi, just number 38. TLB. Mbokazi will pocket that guy from Pyramid, just number 9, Mayele. Mayela will be on the pockets of Mbokazi.
Okay.
Mayela will be in the pockets of Mbokazi.
Like Ribeiro.
I don't know that, Steve. I don't know that. I don't know that, Steve. And Steve Bona and Steve Konale something century range. This thing early moment or wherever talk about other teams. Adi Sharp. Sundowns, they say they benefited. I'm not sure. I have not seen spanning Sharp. But if it was Al Ahly, you think Zamalek or Pyramids go Egypt? But Al Ahly benefited? No. I didn't see the penalty there. But it's a penalty for Orlando Pirates for Al Ahly. No, Steve. Mamelodi Sundowns I benefit. Orlando Pirates I benefit. Was South African Steve. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Really? Really? No, Mabagani, let's can't fact is a fact. I really move game for my about 40 years fast.
For me,
no, I love Mufuge, but for Mufuge, but for it. Drop for Mamchito. For Mufuge, drop. Not expect a more for Mamfan drop of it. Lichava Bulela, so still existing in Agu, I enough flop. Thank you.